Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about H2S fire panel, right? So we have the H2S panel here. This one is very important. It's same like the fire panel, right? Whenever there's a fire alarm, whenever there's a H2S leakage, it can detect by these sensors. We have sensors which are around. It's called the H2S sensors, right? Then also we have the detector for human being also. As you can see, this one is H2S, right? So whenever there is an H2S, you can see the ppm, which is above 15. You can see it from this detector. So it's very important to know about the H2S panel. This H2S panel, whenever there's a alarm, right, it can show the location. And this H2S panel, it's also aligned to the main fire panel also. Then also it's also aligned to the civil service, civil defense, right? So whenever there's a H2S leakage in every like chemical rooms or where there's a chemical, right? So we normally have sensors which they are all around, right? So if there is any leakage, these sensors can able to detect this gas leakage at a very faster rate, and also it can lead to alarm system, so everybody will be alert in that facility that there is H2S leakage, right? So then another topic also, we talk about how you can respond to H2S, right? If you are in that vicinity or you are inside that particular room, you have to find a way how to leave that room, and also you have to alert or alarm other people by using the manual call points and alert other people that there is an H2S. Then also we have people who are responsible to combat that situation. For example, let's say like fire alarm, you have the firefighter or the fire marshal. Then but here for H2S, you have the emergency response team, right? It's called the ERT, emergency response team. So they understand, they have the self-breathing apparatus masks, wherein they can use that mask. They cover their nose and try to know where this leakage is coming from, and they can contain that gas. If it's a spillage, they know how to use that spillage, how to use the spillage kit to wipe away that toxic chemical that is being spilled on the floor, or whether it's in the air. So they are well trained on that one. So that is another training. So it's very important to have a fire panel, the H2S panel, where there is a chemical store, where the chemical is stored. So it's very important. And also we're talking about the detectors. We have the H2S detectors, which are very important, and these H2A detectors, it can be activated whenever there is a leakage of gas, but it can only be activated when a gas is toxic. Then it can be activated. So it's very important to know about the H2S fire panel. So I will stop here.